Okay, so there's the guts of her. Looks like when you open her up, there's a stop right here, and there's this little piston that's like a shock absorber or one of those things that opens the back hatch of an automobile. And that what looks like it stops it from opening all the way. There's big piano hinges down here in the bottom, so those are going to be, well, the only way to get those out is to open this front. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to put you on to fast forward here, and we'll just see if we can't get this guy open. Well, there she is, all laid out, or at least the first step of laying her out. Just had to unsolder the speakers. Everything else I was able to loosen up. And there we go. She's got all sorts of stuff in there. I'm going to have to go through and see if I can identify all the capacitors. I've also right here, she's not tuning very well. I have to get into that and figure out why the tuning isn't working the way it should. But I'd say that's pretty good for a morning's worth of work. So till next time, make sure you subscribe, like, share, and y'all have a good day.